we're gonna make cheesy spaghetti. So we have here our ingredients. Slice and mince the garlic. Take it all, slice it all into different sizes. And then the onions and the butter. We have here the hot dogs. Butter, sauce, Monte creamy cheesy sauce, Fiesta, Filipino, and Hunt's. Different brands of sauces, yeah. So heat the pan and put the butter. Take it slow and then put the ground beef. To have the taste, put some salt and pepper. Oh, I forgot. Put the garlic and the onion to have that smell, to have that delicious scent. And then we have to put the sauces, the meat sauce, the tomato sauce, the pasta sauce, everything. Once Del Monte, yeah. Actually, this is my first time to use different brands of sauces. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Put some cream, all-purpose cream, just to have that creamy and yummy taste. Put a lot of cheese to have that cheesy texture. Mix it. Actually, I'm using here a quick melt and the cheddar cheese. If you want, you can also use mozzarella. Then we have our pasta. Now,